another VetIonx moment where we're going to ask the doctor, she being Dr. Char, a holistic veterinarian. So Dr. Char, a lot of people are writing into the website asking about illnesses with pets. Specifically, from one person, what should I do when my dog vomits?
Well, you should look at what has been going on with the animal. Has your dog been outside unattended? Has he eaten something? Look for remnants of whatever, in the vomitus or around the house. It's amazing what an animal will eat that you would never dream of. And, so you want to know that. And then if you should probably also just feel your animal, touch it and look at the color of its gums, its teeth, just look at it and see if you notice anything at all that's different.
What would be the right color of gum? Pink?
So they should be pink. They shouldn't be overly red, and if if you can't really understand, if you haven't come up with a reason why, then I would suggest that you bring, your dog or your cat to the veterinarian for a physical, because sometimes that can be the beginning of, cancer or something else that, and then the sooner you know what the problem is and administer treatment, the better that would be.
Well, I'm imagining that this would be more than one vomiting incident that this person is speaking of, because they throw up because, for whatever. It seems like, they'll go out and eat grass. A lot of people think that's because they're not feeling well. Is that in fact so?
Well, they do eat grass if they're not feeling well, but then you have to ask, why are they not feeling well?
Yep, because I've walked into the room and seen just a pile of chunks, which would be the dog food, and I'm thinking, well, either the dog maybe was overheated, had been exercising recently, wasn't ready for food, ate the food out of reflex, threw it up, and you never see it again, so you assume, well, if it only threw up once, probably not a problem.
Well, generally it's not a problem. However, recently I had a client that came in. Her dog threw up once. She was a little suspicious because she feeds an excellent diet, and she took her dog to the vet, and the dog actually had cancer.
Wow.
And so, in that case, now the dog is doing really well. It's on a holistic protocol. And, so most people would not have caught that probably for another year or so.
So maybe err on the side of being conservative, and if your dog or cat does throw up, take it to the vet?
Take it to the vet.
All righty. One in the bad for me in that column, because I just thought the dog's going to be okay, and thankfully she was. Dr. Char, thanks so very much. It is another VetIonx moment, because truly, at VetIonx, your pet is our pet, and we invite your feedback at vetionx.com.